What freedoms have you lost over the last 12, 13 months? Hey everybody, I'm Bill, Hill Country Prepper. I want you to think about all of the freedoms that we've lost over the last 12, 13 months. Been thinking a lot about this lately, and here are some of the things that come to my mind. Have you lost the freedom of working? Have you lost the freedom of being employed because of state and local regulations in the last year? How about the freedom to operate your own small business? Have you been shut down and had to go out of business because of the state and local regulations? How about your freedom to go and buy the things that you need? Have you been forced to purchase the things you need from online retailers because the local businesses that you normally go to have been shut down due to the regulations? How about your right to gather? Have you been denied your freedom to attend different events, sporting events, concerts, different venues like that? Have you been denied? Have you lost the freedom to go to museums, art museums, different attractions, because they've been shut down? They've lost their freedom to operate, therefore you've lost your freedom to attend. Have you been denied the freedom to attend the things that you want to attend? Have you been denied the freedom to be with your family and friends? Have you lost the freedom to shake somebody's hand? Have you lost the freedom to embrace somebody, give somebody a hug? Is that freedom gone now? What about your freedom to gather with family and friends and mourn the loss of someone? Have you been denied the freedom to give your loved one or a friend a proper funeral and burial and to be able to mourn with others? How about your freedom to gather to worship the God Almighty? Has that been taken away from you? Have you lost that freedom to attend the church of your choice because of the state and local regulations? How about yourself or your children? Have they lost the freedom to receive a traditional education, whether it be elementary, middle school, high school, college? Have they lost that freedom to get the education that they need to succeed in life and to be prepared? Is that freedom gone now? Guys, if you're getting some value out of this message, why don't you give me a thumbs up and a like, and please share this video also. And if you're not a subscriber yet, why not? Subscribe right now. And if you hit that notification bell, you'll get notified each and every time I upload some new content. So why don't you do that right now? We're losing our freedom. We've lost some of our freedoms. We've lost the freedom to choose. We've lost the freedom to buy the things that we need and that we want. We've lost the freedom of a free and open election. What else have you seen that we've lost? What other freedoms have been taken away from us? Guys, this is just my thoughts. You guys have a blessed day. Hill Country Prepper.